Yeah, it's all fact, no fiction. It's my interpretation. You wanna know how it went down? I'll tell you. Hey, yo, Biz, turn me up a little bit in the headphones, man. Yeah. Check it. I guess I take it back to graduation. Got my degree, but writing songs was my fascination. I got a job installing cable, then I got promoted. Moved out my mama's house, but still this music was the motive. Around this time, I'm bumping Tunnel Rats and CMR. But Lil Jon was on the radio and on the charts. I got creative, took the money that I made and bought a beat machine. Now it's me and T-Dot up late in. I volunteer at detention centers to be your leader. I got these young dudes loving the way I eat the beat up. I ain't wanna blow up, just wanna give them Jesus. And been starting up Reach Records was all I needed. I hit the road on the weekends to do a show. Ain't asked for money, but they still gave a little dope. Just a bunch of wild kids in the front row like, you ain't Lil Wayne, you a lame, man, I gotta go. But I did it, and I was on a mission. And little by little, a couple of them would get it. Was rapping in the hood and folks broke down crying. That's when I knew this was bigger than me and bigger than rhyme.
It's all fact, it's not fiction. You wanna hear the truth, then pay attention. And if I never got a mention,
still do it for the love and the mission. Yeah. My interpretation.
it's not fiction.
It's all fact. It's all fact. It's all fact.
It's not fiction.
Fast forward just a year later, I done dropped my first album and I'm feeling like I made it. Going all around the world trying to tell them about the Savior. What else? And I ain't tripping, we ain't really getting paper. Nah. I'm about to marry me a lady. I left my old job, so I'm praying rap pay me. I dropped my next album, Jesus Music kinda major. I moved away to Memphis, it was hot as the equator. And gunshots every night to make you wake up. Sleeping on the floor, hoping you don't pick it straight up. Soup Campbell took me in and got my weight up. Then I flew back to Cali, started working on Rebel. We had a feeling it would be a problem. It's like the Lord wrote the whole thing. But at home I was having problems. Married life was like a bad dream. Yeah. Now we fighting every day. My travel getting heavy, 2 babies, 1 baby mama. I'm arrogant and self-righteous, helping everybody but my wife do the drama.
It's not fiction. You wanna hear the truth, then pay attention. And if I never got a mention,
still do it for the love and the mission. Yeah. My interpretation.
it's not fiction.
It's all fact. It's all fact. It's all fact.
It's not fiction.
I need a new place, new grace, new city, new state. Now we all headed to Atlanta. I'm stressed out trying to lead. I'ma bleed myself, burning out. I can see the path. I'm just writing my pain over beats, and I'm guessing rehab was the outcome. I wrote background at the kitchen table. I thought it wouldn't make the album. Shortly after I got a hold of Tim Keller's books. Man, I promise you it's like my whole life changed. Andy Crouch wrote a book about culture making. And after that I had to make a slight change. Ask the homies, I ain't do it for the money, man. Nah, I made church clothes out of love. And me and Street working day and night. Wait a minute, now gravity is blowing up. I won a Grammy and I ain't even tripping on it. I got a mission that I'm fighting for. I'm writing songs trying to give you substance. Yeah, I'm writing songs fighting for your soul. We may run at a different pace, but let's continue the race. You running yours, I'm running mine. I promise I left out a lot of details. Well, Gabi said I'm out of time.